So you might think that Newfoundland doesn't have sandy beaches. I mean, our nickname is the Granite Planet, but I'm here at Eastport Beach where there's actually a lot of sand. I'm actually here in Eastport this weekend to do a lot of hiking, including the new Damnable Trail. Now, why is it called that? We're gonna find out. Hey guys, I'm up here on the Eastport Peninsula in central Newfoundland to check out the Damnable Trail network, one of the province's newest branded hiking systems and one with a pretty memorable name. Legend has it that a pirate ship was being pursued by the British Navy and tried to hide in St. Chad's Harbour. Well, someone on board accidentally rang a bell that echoed throughout the whole harbour and alerted the British Navy to their location. "Damn the bell," the captain cried out, and hence Damnable Bay was born. But these hiking trails won't have you cursing like a pirate. Right now there's over 30 kilometers of hikeable trail. Some of it's new, some of it's rehabbed existing trail, and there's even more in the works. There's everything from rugged coastal hikes that will challenge you to leisurely boardwalk strolls. They could have just as easily named this the Lookout Trails. There are over 20 marked lookout points, so no matter which trail you choose, you're guaranteed a fantastic view. The work that's been done here has really cemented the Eastport Peninsula as a premier hiking destination in Newfoundland and Labrador. So I'm here hiking one of the Salvage trails. I'm going to head out to Net Point. I've just passed the saltwater pond and I stopped in to check out one of the old graveyards that you'll find on these routes. If you're ever in doubt, just keep an eye out for these trail markers and you'll know that you're still on the Damnable Trail. So I'm here right now on top of one of the 20-something lookouts on the Damnable Trail, and there I go. And you'll even find a few benches where you can sit and take a rest. And if nature calls, there's an outhouse located at the Roundhead Lookout. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can stay up to date with all of my latest travel adventures. Thanks for watching!